I get the Fit Sky High bars with the Fit DLR Rasta regular stem. Got the Demolition Missile grips. That one's taking a beating. This one's still kind of good. Got the Demolition bar ends. And the FBM integrated headset. Fit shift forks. Primo M4 hub laced to a black Demolition Zero rim with a Fit FAF 2.25 tire on the front. A Fit Deck 220.75 Type 2 frame. Sorry, I'm talking fast. 25 tooth Ammo Vinny sprocket. Demolition Medio 2.0 cranks. Black RC twisted plastic PC pedals. My old ass Fit trail seat and salt rail, the seat post. The Primo Mix cassette hub laced to a lime green Demolition Zero rim and a Kenda tire on the back. I don't know what kind it is, but yeah. And the FBM hub guard and some RC GI pegs. I think that's it. On a gland hub guard on front. Did I get everything?
You forgot the back tire.
Kenda. Oh, the chain. It's a KMC Crazy chain. Thank you, Chance. And Corey, thanks for the sprocket. Well, trading and buying, yeah. Yeah.
You got everything.
Yep. There's my little cousin Tomas. Say hi.
Hi.